Okay, so I'll just show you how to use the park assist here, or the automatic parking. So first of all, we'll put it in drive, and then we go over here, click that switch. On the dashboard there, you'll see parallel parking searching. Well, I don't want parallel parking, I want perpendicular. So I'll just indicate left to tell it where we're going, and then it says we're moving forward. It's found a space. I'm going to go past that space actually. Space found. Select R and wait. R. Perpendicular parking, reverse with care. So we're going in. Stop, select drive and wait. So drive, there we go. It's taking me out, and the screen, steering wheel moves. I'm just covering the brake, you can see there. It's taking me in. Stop, select drive, making a meal of it. Select reverse, and there we go. We're going in there. Park assist finished. Absolutely perfect. Spot on.